Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a profile picture on the WebNovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Profile section next to the Explore button at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the Profile and tap to the Edit Profile button next to the heart icon. And here just tap to the Profile button and select the Choose from Camera Roll option. Tap to the gallery, and for example go to the pins albums and just select a picture, edit this and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.